Episode 4, Joseph in Potiphar's house. The journey to Egypt was long and dusty. Talagang malikabok at mainit. Joseph walked beside the camels, his heart heavy with sadness. Lungkot na lungkot siya. He missed his father. He missed his home. And even in the strange land, kahit nandun siya sa ibang lugar, Joseph whispered prayers. Nagdadasal pa rin siya, trusting that God was still with him. Now, nang dumating sila sa Egypt, the merchants sold Joseph to Potiphar. Si Potiphar is one of Pharaoh's officials and captain of the guard. Yung bahay ni Potiphar maganda at puno ng buhay. Si Joseph naging masipag siya, talagang nagtrabaho siya. At ginawa niya ang lahat with kindness. And God was with Joseph, blessing him in everything he did. Nakita naman ni Potiphar ito. Sabi ng Potiphar, "The Lord is with you, Joseph. I can trust you with everything in my house." Kaya pinagtiwalaan siya ni Potiphar. Tuwan-tuwa naman si Joseph sa salita ni Potiphar. At alam niya, kahit malayo siya sa kanyang tahanan, binabantayan pa rin siya ng Diyos. So araw-araw, Joseph managed the household with honesty and skill. The gardens bloomed, the storerooms were full, and peace filled the house of Potiphar. Now Joseph grown into a handsome man. Ang gwapo-gwapo niya. At ang sipag-sipag pa niya. Trabaho siya talaga. Ngayon, napansin ito ng asawa ni Potiphar. Napansin niya yung kakisigan ni Joseph and gusto niyang gumawa ng masama si Joseph. But Joseph was faithful to God. "I cannot sin against God," sabi ni Joseph. Araw-araw, pilit na inaakit si Joseph ng asawa ni Potiphar. Pero Joseph always chose what was right. Umiiwas siya talaga. Isang araw, nahablot ng asawa ni Potiphar ang kanyang coat. Pero nakatakbo si Joseph. Naiwanan niya yung kanyang coat. Ngayon, galit na galit itong asawa ni Potiphar. Nagsabi siya ng mga kasinungalingan sa kanyang asawa about Joseph. Naniwala naman si Potiphar sa kasinungalingan niya. Kaya ang ginawa niya, pinakulong niya si Joseph. Pero kahit sa kulungan, puno pa rin ng pag-asa si Joseph. Lumuhod siya, tsaka nanalangin pa rin siya gaya ng panalangin niya nang siya ay bata pa. "God, I trust you," sabi ni Joseph. And God was with Joseph even in the deepest prison. His adventure was far from over. So until the next episode, Joseph meets the cupbearer and baker. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. God bless.